So Kenny, there's quite a bit of noise here, but maybe you just explain what you're doing now. The dome's about to be loaded up with a load to test its load-bearing capability, and these presumably are some sort of measuring devices to see the deflection. Would that be correct?
The displacement transducers.
Displacement transducers, okay.
And they measure the displacement, any movement in the dome. They will measure that movement in horizontal condition and a vertical condition.
Okay.
Supplied from the computer with a voltage.
Okay.
The resistance inside changes due to the displacement, and you get a resistance change which feeds back the current back to the computer, which is then processed and gives us the actual displacement.
Okay, so all these measurements are then logged against presumably the pressure which is being applied. Is that correct?
Yeah, we take a reading from the pump for the load.
Okay, so there's a hydraulic pump or something, is there?
Hydraulic pump.
Supplying the load?
No, hydraulic pump supplying the load.
Okay. And what do you expect that's going to go up to? How many kilonewtons might that load go up to at this dome, would you expect?
I'm not the best one to answer that.
Okay.
What I've heard is up to 4 kilonewtons so far.
So that's about 400 kilograms, would that be correct?
Yes.
Okay. And the deflection then is measured both in the vertical and horizontal planes?
Yes.
So as the load is applied vertically, there will also be a movement presumably then outwards, which is a hoop or buckling, is that correct?
Yeah, it could be a movement inwards actually.
Okay, so will your transducer be able to pick up the movement inwards if it's moving away from the transducer?
Yeah, the transducer can move both ways.
Okay.
Depends where I set the transducer.
I see.
It will pick up movement if it goes in or if it comes out.
Okay, okay. And is the same being measured on the far side then?
Same movement on the opposite side. There probably won't be as much movement on this side.
Okay.
Same on this side. There won't be as much movement. There'll be an opposite effect.
Okay.
It won't be as much.
So it'll just determine the whole performance of the structure then? Okay.
Yeah.
That's great. Thanks very much.
All right. No problem.